The world is shifting from analog to digital faster than ever before, further exposing us to the vast promise and peril of new technologies. While the digital era has brought society many incredible benefits, we also face many challenges such as growing digital divides, cyber threats, and human rights violations online. These digital public goods such as open source software, data, AI models, open standards should adhere to privacy and other applicable laws and best practices. The digital technologies that support core societal functions and infrastructure, including supporting access to food, housing, energy, healthcare and transportation, need to be safeguarded by all member states to help shape a shared vision for digital cooperation. Digital divides reflect and amplify existing social, cultural and economic inequalities. These challenges affect migrants, refugees, internally displaced persons, older ones and younger ones, rural populations, and indigenous people. Digital technologies provide new means to exercise human rights, but they are too often used to violate them. Regulatory frameworks and legislation on the development and use of digital technologies should have human rights at their center.